Let's learn English through daily conversations. Today's topic is Live Green. Are you ready? Let's get started. Reducing plastic waste at home.
Honey, I've been thinking, we really need to reduce our plastic waste at home.
Oh my, here we go again. So, I already take the plastic bottles to the recycling bin.
Haha, that's a start, but we need to do more, like, stop using plastic bags when we go shopping.
Okay, but what about the big plastic bottles for storing water? We can't live without those.
Well, darling, we can get a water filter and use reusable bottles instead.
I see. So I have to carry my fancy reusable bottle around everywhere now.
Yes, I believe you will even look cooler. And don't forget the shopping bags, baby. We'll get some eco-friendly cloth bags.
Let me guess. Next, you'll be telling me to stop using plastic straws, right?
Actually, yes, and we can get some reusable metal ones. They're cool, I promise.
Okay, but if I stop using plastic straws, do I have to bring my metal straw to the coffee shop as well?
Many people bring their straw and bottle to the cafe. Seriously, it's better for the planet and our health. You know all about the microplastics, don't you?
Yeah, I have read about them. Don't worry, honey. I'm willing to live green. I just need some time to get used to it, Now, I guess I can handle the fancy straw. Let's start with that.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Plastic waste. Trash made from plastic that can harm the environment. Reusable. Something that can be used more than once. Water filter. A device used to clean and purify water. Your listening question is: what does the wife suggest using instead of plastic bottles? Answer: she suggests using a water filter and reusable bottles. Picking up trash in the park.
Hey, buddy, did you enjoy your milk?
Yes, Dad, it was yummy. I can drink 3 of these.
Oh, that's great. I will tell Mommy to buy more for you. But wait, what are you going to do with that carton?
I think I will throw it on the ground and leave it here.
Oh no. We don't leave trash on the ground, buddy. We have to take care of the park.
But, Dad, I cannot see any trash can. It's just a small carton. It won't make a big difference.
Every little piece of trash matters. What if 10 people also think like you? And we have 10 cartons on the ground.
Oh no, that will be so messy.
Indeed, buddy. Let's keep the park clean for everyone, okay?
So, we have to keep this carton until we find a bin, right?
That's right. It's not just about our trash, but helping everyone keep this beautiful place nice.
Okay, I'll pick it up, but it makes my hand tired.
Well, if we all do our part, the park will stay clean.
Okay. I'll try to find a bin for it. Will you walk with me, Daddy?
That's the spirit. Let's make the world a cleaner place, one piece of trash at a time.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Trash. Waste material that is discarded or not needed. Carton. A box, usually made of cardboard, used for holding liquids or other items. Bin. A container for storing waste. Your listening question is: what does the father want the son to do with the milk carton? Answer: he wants the son to put it in the bin to keep the park clean. Planting trees and protecting greenery.
Sweetie, look at my beautiful garden. I have been taking care of it myself every day. Today is the day I teach you how to keep it green and healthy.
Wow, Grandma, the flowers look amazing. How do you make them grow so well?
Well, darling, it's all about giving them love, water, and making sure they get enough sunlight.
Can we plant more trees? I want to have a forest in our garden.
A forest? Huh, you are determined. Maybe just a few more trees. But it's not just about planting. We have to take good care of them.
What happens if we don't water them? Will they die?
Yes, sweetie. Without water, plants can't survive. That's why we must protect them.
I understand, Grandma. So, what can I do to help?
Well, we can start by planting this little tree together. First, you dig a small hole, and I'll put the tree in.
Let's do it. I'll dig the hole as big as possible.
Ha, not too big, darling. Just do it like so. We need to make sure the roots stay safe and strong.
There, it's done. I'm going to water it every day.
That's my girl. You're already a plant protector. Now, let's sit back and watch it grow.
This is fun. I love helping nature. Maybe one day, I'll plant a whole forest.
I'm sure you will, darling. My little granddaughter will do many great things.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Planting. The act of putting a seed or young plant into the soil to grow. Greenery. The green plants and trees in an area. Roots. The part of the plant that grows under the ground and takes in water and nutrients. Your listening question is: what does the granddaughter promise to do after planting the tree? Answer: she promises to water the tree every day. Reducing car emission.
Are you enjoying the park, buddy? This is our first time walking together. I hope you have a great time.
I am. I can't believe a park is so beautiful and lively. I can hear the birds chirping, the leaves making noises.
Haha, this park is right next to your house. But I believe not many people visit it anymore. You know, I think we use our car too much these days. We should walk more.
But Grandpa, it's so much faster with the car. Why walk if we don't have to?
Haha, I get it, kid. Both your parents travel by cars every day, but walking is good for your health. Plus, it's better for the environment.
But there are so many cars everywhere, Grandpa. It's hard to avoid them.
Yes, I know. But walking, even for short trips, can make a big difference.
Okay, so should we walk to the store instead of driving?
Exactly. It's only a 15-minute walk, and you'll get some exercise too.
15 minutes. It's pretty long for me, but I will try. Oh, Grandpa, you walk so fast. Can we go a little slower?
Of course, slow and steady wins the race, my boy.
All right. Let's walk to the store then. Maybe I'll even enjoy it.
You'll see. And if you keep walking like this, you'll be strong like me when you're older.
Deal, Grandpa. But let's make sure we get some ice cream when we're done, okay?
Sounds like a good plan, kid. Let's get moving.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Walk. To move on foot at a regular pace. Environment. The natural world, including the land, air, and water, which is affected by human activities. Exercise. Physical activity that helps improve health and fitness. Your listening question is: what does the grandfather suggest they do instead of using the car? Answer: he suggests that they walk instead of driving, starting with walking to the store. Turning off the lights.
It's time to sleep. Hey, why are the lights in our bathroom still on?
I was just about to turn them off.
Sure you were. I can clearly see that you are about to get into bed already.
Okay. I forgot. It's just that it's so cozy in here with the lights on.
You know, we should really try to save electricity. You know, turning off the lights helps the environment too. You are in a green club. You should have known better.
I know. It's just that sometimes I can forget.
Plus, if we save energy, we can save some money on the electric bill.
Well, I do like the idea of saving money.
See, there are countless reasons why. Also, if you like the light, we can use a lamp instead of the big lights. It's cozy and still saves energy.
Okay. I'll do it, but only if you buy it for me.
Hey, don't get cocky.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Electricity. The energy used to power lights, machines, and other devices. Bill. A statement of money owed for services like electricity or water. Lamp. A device that provides light, usually smaller and more focused than ceiling lights. Your listening question is: what does the big sister suggest they do to save electricity? Answer: she suggests using a lamp instead of the big lights to save energy. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.